your broken window.
I'm Smithy. This is the tattooist, Ash from Warrington.
Hello there.
You are on camera, even though you're not seeing yourself on there, but you are on it.
Hello.
Stacey. Where's my stick? Oh, there it is. Look, there's my sticker. Look at that. Pride of place.
There it is, mate.
Cycle rack. So this is made in France then?
Made in France by I can never pronounce it. Pilote or Pilote or
I just say Pilot.
Pilot.
Pilot, yeah.
Pilot.
Pilot. Pilote.
They fit out limousines in France.
Sounds like Pilote or something, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, they do all the coach work on the limousines and stuff.
So you've quietly been in that Spanish bar?
I've been in there with Jose, who just so happens to be an ex-retired bullfighter.
He's putting his stuff away.
So when you go to the Spanish bar, show a bit of respect for Jose, because he's hard. He might be old, but he's
yeah,
hard.
I bet he is, yeah. I tell you what, you'd have to be fit to do that job, wouldn't you?
Bullfighting, yeah.
I've turned your key.
Don't bother about them, mate. Yeah, so this is my van for what it's worth.
It's a nice van, though. R600.
We did the R600S as well. I don't know what the difference is.
No.
I've had a look at the S, and from 1987 or 85.
There's probably a button on the dash that's a blank in yours. And
Well,
probably...
it can't mean sport, can
no.
it? It's a camper van.
It. Yeah. Yeah, good.
Yeah. We've got our Breaking Bad sticker on it.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So it's like the Breaking Bad van.
You've got some... I've seen your plants.
Oh, we've got plants. There's my guard dog.
Should we meet the guys?
Yeah, do you want to...
Do you want me to go in?
Yeah, go on, mate.
Do you get a huge
I'll let you do it. Oh, yeah.
I'll control the beast.
Yeah, wrong way.
Get some leads on them.
Hello. Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's very vocal.
I'll take them out.
Says too much sometimes.
What are they called?
Hugo
Yeah.
and Poppy.
Hugo and Poppy.
Popo.
All right, Popo.
Come here, little boy.
Well, my female's called George.
Oh, yeah.
Little George.
George, yeah.
There we go.
That's good. It's like a captain's chair, isn't it?
Yeah,
They
yeah.
all swivel on all four.
Yeah, yeah. That's all right. My chair won't swivel because I've got my bathroom behind me.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So Sue's chair swivels, mine doesn't.
Oh, the layout for the size of the van is really good.
Yeah, yeah. This is a good entrance
So
as
much,
well.
yeah, so much more space, you know, than some of the vans.
Yeah, yeah.
Good boy.
Even though it's old, like. Right, I'll take the dogs over there, Stace.
Yeah.
Should we go in?
Go in, Smithy, yeah. Get in, mate.
Oh.
Will you carry a puppy, yeah?
Yeah.
You got your TV on wall then?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I got mine on my wall.
On the bracket, so when we sit here,
Yeah.
see, it swivels to here, and then when we're in bed at night, it swivels
Oh, right,
to the
I see,
side.
yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I've just got mine on one bar, but I can
right.
still turn it any way I want.
Yeah.
So either I can watch it or Sue can watch it, or we can
Yeah.
both watch it.
Yeah,
Do you know what
yeah.
I mean? It's alright, I like it. You've got everything you want. Air conditioning.
Air conditioning, yeah. This is one of the fans, you know, where it sucks in and sucks out.
Oh yes, yeah. Well, that's good when you're cooking, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Mine, obviously don't have a fan. I just open the window and the door maybe. That's all I've got.
Yeah, yeah.
It's alright. Fixed bed.
Yeah, but also it's a table and it's got, you know, fixed chairs like a caravan.
Oh, so you can split that to chairs then?
Yeah, yeah.
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, my caravan has that there and one at the other side, so you
Right,
can,
oh, yeah.
have loads of seating area,
Yeah.
or 2 double beds.
Yeah.
And the good thing is it has a door here. You can shut the kids in.
Well, yeah. Well, usually we have a curtain across there, but we use this.
Oh yeah. Well,
Because that comes down.
Yeah.
That's a bed. That's a
Yeah.
double bed. But I can send you photographs of that.
well, I had a Talbot high top that had that, and it came down.
brilliant.
Yeah, I had all kids up there. They wouldn't travel anywhere else. They just wanted to be up there all the
Yeah.
time. But I was only taking them to school. We never went anywhere in it.
Oh.
Never went on holiday.
Yeah.
Just went to school.
This is like a separator.
Yeah. Well, that's what my caravan's got.
Yeah. Gives you privacy.
Yeah, it's ideal, isn't it?
This is a wardrobe. We won't show you inside.
Oh, that's all right.
And then all the cabinetry.
It's good. You've got plenty of space, haven't you?
Yeah, yeah. And
That's
we
what you
love
want.
this, the 70s light. We love this.
Yeah, yeah.
There you go.
That's all right. My first caravan, it had a
Yeah.
gas lamp.
Hey?
I had a gas lamp in my first
Oh,
caravan.
yeah.
Yeah. My first caravan had a gas lamp. Old, was it an Alpine or something? I can't remember make it caravan, but yeah, I had a gas lamp. And it worked as well. And
Yeah.
the sink, you had a pump here, you had a foot pump, you twisted
I've
your foot,
seen them.
and then you went like that and water
Yeah,
came
yeah,
out.
Yeah.
God, modern ones are better, aren't they?
Yeah, yeah.
It's a good van though, I like it. It's got everything you need, hasn't it?
Oh it's
You've got your
lovely.
sink, your cooker, your
It's
fridge.
great. Yeah,
You've got your bed.
Yeah.
Oh, you've obviously driven from Warrington to come here.
Yeah.
That's all you need.
Bathroom, everything's in there.
Well, yeah, that's it. That's everything you need.
It's a shower as well.
Oh, I'm knocking your kettle off.
Shower. Yeah, it's got a shower curtain and a shower.
That's ideal. It's everything you need, isn't it? The thing is, though, if you came here or anywhere else and you're going to stop in a hotel, you're looking at 50 quid a night,
easy.
minimum.
Yeah.
So you're here for now.
Yeah, it's comfortable.
Causing
as
no
well.
problem.
It's dead cosy.
The council have just been tempted bin and he's took your rubbish away for now. Well, you know, fair play to him, like.
Yeah, definitely.
You alright, guys?
Yeah, we've had a good tour. Now let's have a look at your view,
Yeah.
because everybody will like to see your view. I'll try and put my arm up so they can see the sea. How's that?
It's great.
Oh. Yeah, I like that. It's alright, isn't it?
It's alright, isn't it?
Yeah. You see how many vans there is parked on Promenade? What a rotten day it's turned. It was red hot before. I was burning. I was having something to eat at Promenade. I was burning.
It was too much for me, really, the heat. You know, when you're sat in it, because I'm a bit worried about putting the fans on, you know, with the battery going flat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have one that I can plug into fag lighter when I'm driving.
Yeah.
It's not so bad if you connect it to leisure batteries, because if
We once went from Loch Lomond to Livingstone, and I tell you what, the sweat. I was losing weight driving. It was that hot.
Yeah.
That's why I bought the fan.
that came
Right.
with them.
Let's end the video.
What's that, mate?
Let's end the video.
Oh, right. Oh, sorry. Sorry. I thought we'd turned off.
We're having a conversation.
We were, mate.
Oh, that's all right. I'm Smithy.
I'm Ash.
Ash, Stacey, Popo.
Popo.
Yeah,
Popo.
yeah, I got it.
Little Hugo and Go there.
Little Hugo.
Here you go. Let's have a look. Hello.
Here he is. Sarah, Hugo, innit, mate?
These will be the stars of the show,
They
don't
will.
we see us?
Oh, yeah, I
He
know.
will. He's got a crush on George.
Do you know how I end my videos?
Be safe.
Be lucky.
Yeah.
And I will see you again.
There you are. That'll do.